In this video, I will be showing you how to upload images on Deepseek AI. Let's get started. I start by opening up my web browser and navigating to Google. In the search bar, I go ahead and type in Deepseek AI login and press enter to bring up the search results. I see the main link for Deepseek right at the top, so I click on that to head over to the official site. Once the chat page loads up, I notice that the default setting is set to instant. Since I want to upload an image for the AI to analyze, I move my cursor up and click on the Vision button right next to it, which enables image understanding. Now that the vision mode is active, I move down to the message bar and click on the small paperclip attachment icon on the right side. This brings up my system file window. I navigate to my Downloads folder, find the image I want to use, click on it, and click Open to attach it to the chat. The image successfully uploads as a small preview directly inside the message box. Next, I click inside the text input box right next to the image preview to type out my detailed prompt. I ask, can you tell me what kind of person he is? What's his background, and why do so many people love him? This is Rene Batterbonia. Once my query is completely written out, I click on the blue arrow send button to submit it to Deepseek. The AI processes the image and instantly generates a highly thorough response detailing his background, current status, and the reasons behind his local popularity. I scroll down smoothly through the first part of the response, taking a brief pause to review the detailed points about his career and style of play. I continue scrolling down further to read about the public perception and specific analytical notes provided by the model. After reviewing the comprehensive background information, I decided to prompt the AI for a more simplified summary. I click back into the chat box at the bottom, type out, "That's it," and press send. The AI quickly generates a more direct, no-nonsense conclusion, giving me a very straightforward reality check regarding his basketball career. I scroll down one last time to read through these final summarized insights, and that is exactly how you easily upload and analyze images using Deepseek AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.